What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to From Wreck to Wow. I'm Jeremy Scott. Today, this is 1404 North Riverside near downtown Fort Worth. Look at that inside living room. We opened it up. That is a massive transformation. And you can see we worked with what we had. We put in brand new windows there, a new door, new paint, new fan, made it look way better. Here's the other side for the kitchen area. And you can see quite the transformation coming up. Look at that, brand new. That looks like a place I would want to cook a lot of home meals. Plenty of cabinet space. Love to go with the white cabinets. Here's an old, outdated bathroom as you're used to seeing. Brand new window as well, and look at that transformation. Looks so much more homey and like you would want to raise a family here. This was a super unique property because we had an upstairs converted attic, and look at that. That's what the previous homeowner did, and we turned it into this bathroom. And if you could see all the way through there, there's a kitchen, which we're going to go to right here. This kitchen is in the attic as a secondary living area. Here's the backyard, a lot of space, about a third of an acre. And that does it for that transformation. Appreciate you guys looking. If you have any leads, send them our way. We'd love to get you referral fees. Take care.